Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see the preparation of magical hair oil which gives us long, black, lustrous, and shiny hair. This recipe is used by traditional South Indians. Let's see the list of ingredients now. Hibiscus leaves. Benefits of hibiscus leaves. Makes your hair strands firmly rooted. The active ingredients of hibiscus flowers and leaves are flavonoids and amino acids that nourish your scalp and hair roots. Stimulates hair growth. Deeply conditions hair strands. Prevents dandruff and itchy scalp. Prevents baldness. Silky smooth hair. Hibiscus flower. Benefits of hibiscus flowers. Nourishing properties to stimulates hair growth. Conditions the hair. Prevents hair fall. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curry leaves. Benefits of curry leaves. Promotes hair growth. Adds shine. Controls hair loss. Prevents premature graying. Clears dandruff. Repair damaged hair. Assist with dry and frizzy hair. Maintains scalp health. Strengthens the roots. Fight scalp infections. Bringaraj leaves. Benefits of bringaraj leaves. Stimulates hair growth. Hair health maintenance, preventing hair fall. Delaying premature graying. Dandruff control. Hair dryness and frizz. Country gooseberry roots. Benefits of country gooseberry roots. Antimicrobial. Anti-dandruff. Prevents hair loss. Stimulates hair growth. Guava leaves. Benefits of guava leaves. Prevents hair fall, strengthens weak hair, protects from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Soft and silky hair. Neem leaves. Benefits of neem leaves. Fights on dandruff and itchy scalp. Promotes hair growth, saves from premature graying. Great basil leaves. Benefits of great basil leaves. Prevents hair loss. Treats dandruff, prevents premature graying of hair. Keeps scalp healthy. Promotes blood circulation. Reduces grease of hair. Prevents from itching. Holy basil leaves. Benefits of holy basil leaves. Prevent premature graying. Strengthens hair roots. Prevents hair loss. Henna leaves. Benefits of henna leaves. Enhances hair growth. Repair and strengthen hair. Regulates oil secretion. Conditions hair. Helps prevent dandruff. Coloring hair. Prevents hair fall. Brahmi leaves. Benefits of Brahmi leaves. Promotes hair growth. Acts as anti-dandruff. Prevents hair fall. Aloe vera. Benefits of aloe vera. Strengthens hair. Controls greasy hair. Helps an itchy scalp. Protection from UV damage. Promotes hair growth. Onion. Benefits of onion. Prevents from headaches, colds, and respiratory illness. Treats baldness. Antibacterial and antifungal. Black cumin seeds. Benefits of black cumin seeds. Prevents hair fall and strengthening. Promotes hair growth, scalp health, volume and fullness, hydration and moisture, hair color. Fenugreek. Benefits of fenugreek. Promotes hair growth, increase blood circulation, strengthens hair shaft, reducing hair fall, promoting hair growth, prevents from dandruff, itching and flakiness. Coconut oil. Benefits of coconut oil. Repair damaged hair. Repair dry scalp and dandruff. Moisturizer. Promotes hair growth. How to prepare. Take an iron pan, pour the pure coconut oil into it. Semi-grind all the ingredients. Add to that oil in the pan and place it on the stove with a high flame. Keep it for 10 minutes to boil and low the flame. While the color changes slightly black, turn off the stove. After it cools down, store it in a glass container. How to use. Massage the scalp entirely by using this hair oil. Keep it on hair for at least 2 hours, and use a mild shampoo to wash it. Use this magical hair oil for twice the week for better results.